here is the interesting point that you might be thinking, oh my god, if this is this kind of very powerful method and this is how so much many things can be done, especially wirelessly from your home, then how much time do you need to learn the process and a skill with such kind of knowledge? Then I can tell you that the process, when you will know that this is the process, this is the knowledge, and this is how actually you do it, it will take you only 1 day. And now you might be wondering, what? 1 day? Yes, because you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to perform all the related activities that were required to obtain this skill. The person who I told you, Maulana Abrar Alam, he has already done it. He has already gone through the journey. He has already did all the hard work related to spiritual field, spiritual healing, and now he simply transferred that knowledge to me, and I purchased it from him. It means that as a student I learned from him, and now I am giving awareness to you. So this is because I learned and I practically tried and I did experiments through various things, various process. So which is why I am telling you that it takes only 1 day, because you only need process, and you don't need me, you don't need Maulana Abrar Alam, because the result will be produced by the command of Allah based on your efforts. So if there is a result coming or not, who is responsible? Not even you are responsible, because you will be doing efforts. It will be the decision of Allah to give the healing or not, but you must use the process properly and in a correct way, because if you will be doing process in a wrong way, then obviously the fault will be on the person who is doing it in a wrong way. But if the knowledge is right, method is right, process is right, and the person is doing it everything correctly in the spiritual world, it means that the result will produce by the command of Allah.